Here, it's just you and me, my breath flowing through your body. How does time shadow me and rearrange me, disturb my memories, tangling me into a tight knot and unraveling slowly? I exist narrowly in the privacy of this second and the next. What about you? Every part of you exhibits the passage of time. Tree dies and new ones grow, fruits fall and flowers bloom. I leave, the next arrives. Into you, you saved me before I shout aloud, rescue me. You mark a place in my life where I stopped to rest yet couldn't stay. I remember the scent of this place, stepping barefoot in the stream, journeying through lush greenery with my family. The memories within your body are my future antidote. And what about you? When your existence spans the age of the entire earth, what kind of memories do you hold? We are born in the canopy, forgotten in the roots. Branches are synaptic nerves, transmitting currents through the wind. Sunrise and moonset are the intervals of my memory. Whoever enters my body leaves, a trail of footprints, a line of poetry, etching themselves into my being. They may forget, but I preserve all. I allow everything to happen, to pass through. Your purpose in coming here is not to stay, but to move up and down within me. Always destined to leave. Clouds sweep by, winds skim through, leaves descend. Aging death and useful life coexist here. Remembering, for me, is not an action, but my very existence. They say one cannot behold the entirety of an elephant, concealed in the depths of the forest shade. So you emerge from the woods, sensing the path ahead. Handing north, what are you searching for? Handing north, are you escaping or leaving? With calm assurance, you slowly tread. Across rivers, over mountains' crests. Their hearts tremble with your weedy breaths and steps. Sometimes, as you lie down, you become smaller. Like a stranded wheel on the beach, the wind, intermittent, caresses you on the barren land, heavy yet fragile. But this adventure, like spinning in a whirlpool, a year later you found yourself back where you started. As if the forest remained dense, yet constantly shrinking in circles. You walked 500 kilometers only to discover not a single plant was cultivated for you. No road leads to the distant dream home.
不得大做是人让，不得野做是刚力。เป็นมวยอดกงกงสุยงตัวเตียงเตะอินปุ้ยแปรนุ่มจุกชาเปลยอินมกคงเปียกสิยาโฟสางยุยตมบดอิตุกลุ่มแม่มวยมวยตามวยแย่มวยแม่มวยกึ่งคอยสเงินรังคอยสกังลีนเดitu kumel som
泪掉不要